Hello, I'm Latha, Chief Dietitian, Medicover Hospitals, Madhapur. Today we'll try to understand the nutritional significance of fruit juices. So as we all know that fruit juices are rich source of vitamins, minerals and a lot of nutrients. The fact is that when you take a whole fruit, you get a lot of nutrients like vitamins, minerals, you get some amount of calories, soluble fiber, insoluble fiber, and excellent source of antioxidant. But when you strain fruit juices or when you prepare a fruit juice, most of the vitamins like vitamin C gets oxidized in the air and you tend to lose vitamin C. And certain beverages where you prepare a milkshake or a fruit juice, you tend to drain away the pulp or the fruit. So you tend to lose good amounts of soluble and insoluble fiber, which has a great role in our health. Usually the soluble fiber keeps your blood sugars under control, your blood cholesterol under control. The important electrolytes like potassium keeps your blood pressures under control. The soluble fiber helps in your weight reduction. These healthy points or this nutritional point of view is gone when you strain fruit juices or when you make fruit juices without pulp. So what we need to understand is fiber is really important for us. Most of the people suffer from constipation, let it be a pediatric kid or a geriatric elderly person. So constipation has become very common. If you lack fiber in your diet, you take too much of carbohydrate like juices for a long time, then you develop fatty liver. There's a lot of fat deposition on the liver which leads to NASH and liver failure even. You tend to increase your blood sugars if you consume fruit juices because there is a readily absorption of glucose into the gut within an hour or so and then into the blood. So this may cause hyperglycemia or increased blood sugars in diabetics and few of the pre-diabetic patients. And fruit juices will lead to constipation. So most important thing we need to understand is fruit juices are good in certain set of population but not in everybody. It is a rich source of carbohydrate. It can increase triglycerides in the blood over a period of time if you are consuming fruit juices regularly. So we need to understand that fruit is ideal to eat, not fruit juices. Now for which set of population fruit juices suits better? So pediatric population who are months old, who cannot chew and eat fruits, who cannot eat the mashed fruits. So for these population, fruit juices are ideal. It could be 5 months, 6 months, 7 months and 8 months and not more than that. Once a child becomes 9 months, you can always give them mashed fruits or the pulp of the fruits. And in geriatric patients who have no teeth, who have no appetite, who are really bedbound and has no appetite or poor appetite or don't eat for a long time, for certain patients only you can give fruit juices or fruit pulp. And also patients who are coming out of the diseases, recovering from the illness, let's say a long-standing typhoid or a long-standing complicated malaria or a tuberculosis patient who was sick or ill for a long time, or a patient who is suffering from AIDS or HIV, or a patient who is really sick with cancer or unable to eat. For these set of population wherein hydration is most important, you get some amount of calories and vitamins and minerals from these fruit juices. So for those population, fruit juices, milkshakes or fruit pulps are really good because their absorption, digestion capacity is low and their appetite is very poor. There is no positive energy balance in the body. So what little fruit juice you give, that will become like an excellent energy drink for those set of the population. If you consider a normal person who is well nourished, eats adequately 3 meals and is on overweight scale or obesity scale, then fruit juices hold no good for them. It is always ideal to take lemonade with a pinch of pepper or haldi or few drops of ginger juice and no sugar. Try to take good amounts of tender coconut water. These are the only fruit juices you can take. Otherwise, try to consume whole fruits as such to get the best benefits of the fruits in terms of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Now this is the season for mangoes. Do not try to make milkshakes and juices and amras. Try to eat mangoes which are washed thoroughly along with the peel.